going on, everyone? Today's the 21st of January 2023. We're going to talk about DWAC today to see if it's a buy now. Okay, let me zoom in on the chart. I did a price prediction in DWAC all the way back on December the 21st, 2022. So you guys can see that the market in DWAC was right there around $16, $17. I was playing the weakness to the market in DWAC, and you guys can tell that it's pretty much in profit right now. I told you all on that particular video. If you guys haven't seen it, I would recommend that you guys go back and listen to it. That the price prediction, I told you that the market cannot fall below this particular low on the 23rd of September. And it actually found support around $15 or so. Okay. Very, very important for the market in DWAC to hold that level. That's the first thing. If we're going to see the ability of DWAC going up, it needs to hold $15, no lower. But I got some things to tell you. So let me go ahead and show you all what I think now. So let me go ahead and get rid of this price prediction right now. Again, if you guys are still in the position you were getting on the last trade of Friday, your profit stands at around 7%. On the low of that price prediction, that's around 12% that you guys could have received from the lows of 29th, the 30th, and the 3rd of January. All right, so let's go ahead and cut that out the way. Now we're going to look at a couple of time frames to give us an idea as to how the market is really feeling about DWAC. And you guys can tell that we're not too confident right now. Take a look at these 3 weekly price bars. We've been seeing price in DWAC come down ever since November of last year, and the trend is still in place. This last completed 3 weekly price bar, you guys can see how the market was able to trade up there around 19, but only to complete around $15.75. That tells us, this price bar is telling us, is letting us know that there's still people in the market in DWAC who is selling. Yes, this is exactly what this price bar means. And we're not getting any demand, no follow through. Nobody's really interested in pushing the market higher, because if it was, then the close of this 3 weekly price bar would be up here around 19, but it's not. So that tells us that we might want to be cautious on price going up in DWAC. Now take a look at this on the 2 weekly chart. Okay, so looking at this on the 2 weekly chart, you guys can see right there, first of all, price in DWAC went down on this 2 weekly price bar. It came back up, and now we're coming right back down. In the next 6 days and 3 hours, I'm here telling you right now, if this price bar in DWAC looks the way that it looks right now, in the next 6 days, price is geared to go lower. The biggest chance of where price is going to go is down rather than up. I'm just here to tell you that now. I got to keep it a buck. I got to keep it real to what we're seeing on the price chart, because I don't want to give y'all any fluff, any FUD, any FOMO, because this is real. So here it is on the weekly chart now. Now you guys can see, just going from one time frame to the next, we got the same idea. So you guys can see right here on the 2 weekly chart, up, next one down. Looking at DWAC on the weekly chart, up, down. The market is telling us precisely what the overall people are doing. More people are selling the stock than people are buying. And one thing that's real negative looking at this stock in DWAC is the fact that this 1 weekly price bar has taken out all of the upward move 2 weeks ago. It took the market in DWAC 2 weeks to go from $14.50 to the high of $18.45, and all that has been wiped out in 1 week. It takes effort. It's energy that is able to move price, and energy simply means the buying and the selling of stock. It took a lot of energy for the market to go from 14 to 18, but it didn't take long for it to go back down to 14 or $15. Okay, that's an idea that the market is speaking, is telling us certain things that we want to become aware of. Now, here is DWAC on the 3-day chart. Again, something is not right in the stock. Whether it's something internal with the business, maybe it's not going to follow through with Truth Social, with Donald Trump, I don't know. But the market is telling us that somebody is not believing that this deal is going to happen. Something is not right. Money don't lie. The price chart don't lie. And this 1 3-day price bar is telling us that something is going on. So yes, we're going to continue to play the weakness into the market in DWAC. That is how price is telling us it is trying to move. But let me throw this in here for you. Even though we're playing the weakness into the market in DWAC, I understand, and I want you all to understand that buyers may still be interested in propping up this stock's price around $14.75. So the price target that I'm going to deliver on today's video is not going to be that far. Like, it's so anyone who's a massive bull in this stock, just relax. There's going to be ebbs and flows. The market is going to go up. It's going to go down. We understand. So I just want to show you what we're up against in terms of where price is trying to go. Okay, so this is the area of consolidation that I'm suspecting that the market may actually be on as well. But the moment that we see price in DWAC break this $14.75 area, expect it to come all the way down here to where it first started, $12.15, even back down to 10. And it kind of looks like that's going to be the case in the grand scheme of things when you look at this from a longer term chart. Okay, look how we ended last month in DWAC, the month of December. Okay, that's weakness there. Now, currently, the buyers are trying to hold price. You know, that's the agenda right now of some of the market participants. They're trying to keep price up just like they did in September, in October, and November, and there's still people pushing down the stock's price. The buyers are going to get tired eventually. And once those buyers leave, that's when price is going to bring $14.75, and we'll see it run down to $12.15 and even possibly $10. That look like that's where the market's trying to go, but I'm just saying. So let me go ahead and put this on the chart real quick. That first price target that I'm going to show you all is going to be around 14. Let's do $15 first. Okay, because I do see back here on the left of the chart that there has been some buyers coming in around 15. So that will be my first target. Let's do 14.75. Okay, just around that area. That's 5%, 5.5%. Okay, now anything outside of $14.75 is going to be hard to gauge. Like I said, we had to go all the way back here to this particular time frame to see where a likelihood of price is going to be. So it's like around $12, $13. So that's going to be my second price target, around 13. And that's around 16, almost 17% move to the downside. I'm just going to drop 2. But if I do see price in DWAC fall below 14.75, then I'm pretty confident that the market is going to run down to $13 or so. So keep a watch out for that. I'm not saying that it's going to happen, especially if the buyers continue to show forth that they're willing to buy the stock around $15. Then that would definitely let us know that they're interested in moving this market up still. So I just need to wait for that to play out, and I'm going to be on the lookout for it. We'll see though. But that's it. Simple, right? Not hard, not complicated, real easy to understand how the market actually tells us what the majority of the market is up to. You can only do 2 things when it comes to stocks. You can buy it or you can sell it. And the one on which side is overpowering the next is how price is going to move. And currently, the market is telling us that they're trying to move the market down rather than up in DWAC. Okay. So go ahead and give me your thoughts. Tell me where do you think the market in DWAC is headed. And this doesn't have to be complicated. Just drop your price prediction in the comment section. And that's it. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.